Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapbrain Chronicles. Today we're coming back at you with a tool video, something a little bit different. Today's not the usual ratchet videos that you see here, but I like to break it up a little bit and not only show ratchets all the time, and I like to mix in like different tools, small tools that I use, and a lot of them I use for ratchets, and this is one of them. This is a Tweezer pliers from Harbor Freight, and it's the Doyle brand. But before we jump into the video, as always, if you find these videos at all helpful or entertaining, or you just like tools and stuff like that, and especially ratchets, could you give me a like and also subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Okay, like I said, this is the Doyle. It's 5 inches tweezer pliers. The item number is 57792. It has lifetime guarantee, 100%. Extra slim nose design, spring-loaded handle construction, and some more details. Smooth precision tips for gripping small material and wires. Ultra slim nose designed for easy access to tight spaces. Spring-loaded handle construction provides optimal comfort. Carbon steel construction for lasting durability. And just some warnings, and the important question is, where was this made? And you see right here it says made in Taiwan. Okay, let's take this out and see what we have. Okay, the jaws are spring loaded, and the jaw length, the opening length of the jaws, it's about 11/16 maximum opening. And it says these are 5-inch pliers, and this is the length. So the length looks to be like 5 3/4. I don't know where they were measuring from when they said they were 5-inch tweezer pliers. So okay, on the handle you see conductive, so don't go and stick these in any electrical sockets or boxes with hot current, or you're gonna get a very nasty surprise. And yeah, they'll shock you. So just because it's plastic, don't be fooled into thinking that, oh, I can mess with electricity with these, because it says right there, conductive. Okay, and these when constructed, there's the spring that keeps the jaws open, and it looks like a rivet. That was put in place there to keep the two sections together. No way to take this apart, apparently. And it says precision tips. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see the tips on this. There's no play there on, or I can't see any play, or very little play. I see a little tiny bit of play, but very little play on the jaws there. And the tips are flat. They look like they were well ground. So all in all, not bad. I say this is a decent quality tool. For the money, this is I think $7.99 at Harbor Freight. So I mean, $7.99 ain't too bad. If you need something like this and it's decent quality, yeah, the money is not too bad for the money. And if you can get this on when they got those 30% off coupons for things under $10, even better. I think I picked these up with the 30% coupon, so they wound up being like $6 or something like that. So not a bad price. And here they have some lines, some grooves to help with the grip on either side. And as you know, I'm always inside some ratchets, so something like this comes in handy, because a lot of times, or sometimes, not a lot of times, you have those snap rings or rings which are very hard to get out. Like, let me show you an example. Here's an old Pennons 1260, and if we go to the ring, we see that the ring is flat against two sides inside of a little trench there that you can barely get into. So something like this comes in handy because you can see, you can get into those sides. See, if this still not easy, but easier than like a bigger. Easier than a bigger needle nose. There we go. And voila. And that would probably be a lot harder if I was trying to do with something like this. This is a channel lock, which is a really good needle nose, but you see compared to this how much smaller these are than these are. The only drawback to these as far as getting stuff out like this is that the inside jaws are ground flat. No grooves on them. No grooves, you see there, it's all flat. And something like this, you see that it's grooved on the tips. And these come in handy because when you grab something, it grips pretty good. So when you're extricating something, it comes in handy. These, on the other hand, they kind of slide. They like to slide out of stuff when you applying pressure and taking stuff out. So you got to be careful not to pull things too hard or too quickly, because this is not going to grab too well. But all in all, I don't know, this seems like a decent product. I think it's pretty new. I think they've launched this within this year or last year. I don't think this has been on the shelves that long. If you need like a precision needle nose for, like, you know, delicate work, yeah, pick these up. They're not too bad. If you can get them on special, or you can get them when the coupon is out, even better. Okay guys, until next time.